Alexx Ekubo's private conversation with Fancy Acholonu following her apology post leaks.
Because as you said, oh, the post you showed me. Yes, you showed me what you were writing. And I said, okay, yes, this goes. This doesn't go. This goes. So I'm asking you now, Fancy, what would you want me to write under your post that would be okay for you? And if you tell me, oh, this is it, and it's okay for me, and I still take my time to think about it, then I go ahead. I don't know how long you intend to leave that post there. It can be deleted in the next second, can be deleted in an hour, and that's it. But I'm not going to do any post on my page about this. If I'm going to acknowledge or whatever, it's going to be under your post. So I ask you again, if you need time out to go and think about it, go and think. You're a human being. You have a brain. You can think and process.
Say, Alex, are you happy with the post?
Fancy, please, I don't want back and forth. Okay, please. We've
been
through. I'm not happy.
You didn't say yes or no.
No, I am not. I am not. This whole thing, I'm not happy about it.
You're not happy about it.
This whole everything that we are here. I'm not just sitting at home as well, getting you to go out there, do a post like it's fun for me. I'm the one also being dragged in this as well.
So it didn't make you happy.
Fancy, please, I don't want to go back. That is not the bone of contention. Time is going. It's 7 o'clock. I have things to do. I have other calls waiting. It's 7 o'clock. We've been on this thing now for almost over an hour. I don't, if you do that, you're taking us back. Are you happy? Are you not happy? Are you this? I don't want that. I'm more of an action forward person. You presented a challenge to me. I'm not happy that you're silent. Okay, Fancy, acknowledged. What would you want me to write? Tell me. Don't tell me you can't think of anything. So go back to your drawing board, go back to whatever, think of it, and let me know. You know my style, short and straight to the point, succinct. I don't do any shalaye. I don't do much of that. It's not about you. Don't think I'm being, you were talking earlier and said, be kind to me. Don't think I'm being directed this towards you, that I'm